Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and in this video, we won't be talking about smartphones or gadgets. We're just going shopping. Now, if you've seen our recent videos, and I hope you have, you may have noticed that we have a new studio. Well, I'm not there right now, but we're all about making it look pretty, look good, and while it's slowly shaping up, it still needs a few finishing touches. But instead of just shopping online, we decided to show you how you can earn while you shop, or at least get back a portion of what you spent. And we're doing it through an app called ShopBack. Before we dive in, here's a quick reminder that we have an ongoing giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy A50. The mechanics are in the description box below, so do check it out. I guess the first place to start is to tell you guys about ShopBack. Now, if you're not familiar with it, it's an app that you can download on the Google Play Store or the App Store. It's all about helping you save money by getting cash back every time you shop online via Lazada, Zalora, Shopee, or even when you book your next trip via trip.com or booking.com whenever or wherever. So that means that when you check out, you get a percentage of what you spend and it gets credited to your account, and it's not as points on the app. Actual cash gets credited back into your bank account. But instead of just talking about it, let's get to the fun part, go shopping and see how much we can get back with ShopBack. Okay, so first things, you have to download the app, of course, and when you open it up, you can see the list of apps that you can earn back money from and the percentage of returns that you can get. Now, since we need to decorate the studio, let's check out Lazada first and then check out Shopee for possible goodies too. Okay, so these are the items we've chosen to get. So we got 4 pieces of foam brick wall stickers, a vinyl record wall clock, adjustable floor lamp, a clapboard, and a Yeelight flexible light strip. So our total is 5,053 pesos and 11 centavos. That's inclusive of shipping. And I guess now all we have to do is see how much money we earn back from ShopBack. And if it doesn't reflect right away, guys, don't panic. It may take a while depending on the merchant. We can finally show you how much money we got back from our little shopping spree. Again, our total bill was 5,053 pesos and 11 centavos. And we got back 563 and 30 centavos. Now, that's pretty awesome. Now, if you want to save even more money and possibly get more cash back, more savings when shopping online, then you have to wait for ShopBack's ShopFest. From 9/9 to 12/12 or September 9 to December 12, you can get up to 30% back from your total spend when you use ShopBack to shop through their partnered merchants. So whether you're looking for Christmas presents this early or maybe looking for a holiday destination, guys, remember, bago mag-shop online, i-ShopBack mo muna. Before I forget, you can also download extensions for Chrome and Firefox, so if you're already on your laptop, you can even see how much savings you can possibly get and be alerted for deals as well. There is a limitation though, since Lazada and Shopee have to be accessed through the app on your phone to get cash back, but who knows, that may change soon. So there you have it, guys. That's just a quick feature on ShopBack, who asks us to show you how you can save while you shop online. Remember that the promo stack with ongoing sales, which is great because every peso counts. And that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!